Customer I/O is an all-in-one customer engagement platform designed to deliver messages powered by data. We enable teams to craft customer journeys with live data, unified by our built-in data and integrations. Let's first dive into customer journeys. Message automation. With Customer I/O, you can send automated campaigns, transactional messages, and one-time broadcasts. Automated campaigns are great for onboarding flows, re-engaging inactive customers, and payment reminders. Transactional messages are best for password resets and payment receipts. One-time broadcasts are ideal for monthly newsletters, one-off promotions, and company announcements. To show you around, let's build an automated campaign for a fintech company to re-engage customers who haven't signed in for a while. You can trigger campaigns with segments, attributes, events, forms, objects, relationships, dates, or webhooks. For our re-engagement campaign, a segment makes the most sense. Let's start by defining a segment of people that have not performed the event sign-in recently and have a high lifetime value. Just getting people to sign in after a while doesn't necessarily drive results. That's why we want to set a conversion goal based on the user performing an event. In this case, making a transaction. Next, use the visual workflow builder to design the campaign. Start by splitting the audience. In this example, we'll message by preferred channel. You can use emails, SMS, push notifications, in-app messages, or webhooks. Schedule your messages with time windows and wait untils. Experiment with A/B tests on any message. Discover if subject lines with or without emojis perform better. Leave sticky notes to annotate the workflow for you and your team. Get the ball rolling using templates or start from scratch. Easily customize messages with your own branding. Personalize your content with Liquid Logic. When you're ready, start the drum roll and set your campaign live. Need to make edits? No worries. You can make changes while your campaign remains live. Set messages to queue drafts or don't send. Lastly, use our subscription center to reduce unsubscribes by allowing your audience to opt in and out of topics. Segments. We just messaged people who hadn't signed in for a while, but you can target customers with an endless list of variables. Let's build an audience of basic customers outside of the US who are likely to upgrade. We'll target active mobile users by focusing on app opens within the last 7 days. Let's further refine the audience by including only customers who have made a deposit within the last 3 days. Yes, it's that easy to create sophisticated, data-driven segments. And hey, you can turn segments into ad audiences to save time and money, and upload CSV files for manually creating an audience. People. With people profiles, you can access detailed real-time data on individual customers. Check their attribute data and full log of events. Discover where people are engaging, what messages they have received, and see exactly where each customer is in their journey. Custom objects. What about triggering messages by how non-customer data relates to your customers? That's where custom objects come in. Let's go back to the fintech example. The fintech company has many accounts, some of which are on a free plan, and they want to encourage them to upgrade. With an account object, you can add attributes like plan type. Then you can relate people to the account and add attributes to define their role, last login, feature usage, and more. Now you can trigger a campaign or send a one-time broadcast to show them how upgrading would help them get even more from the platform. Metrics. Once your messages are out in the wild, monitor the leaderboard on key metrics, like conversions and clicks, while also keeping an eye on active test performance, delivery, and more. Data and integrations. Okay, we've gone over triggering and personalizing messages based on data, but how exactly do you get the data into Customer I/O? Well, we have direct integrations with all major data warehouses, REST API, Forms, and modular mobile SDKs. Connect your customer data to every product in your tech stack, letting you focus on building relationships with your customers instead of untangling databases. We support the most common destinations, including popular analytics and CRM tools. Centralize all your data and keep it up to date without changing your existing infrastructure. Wrapping up, Customer I/O is built to scale, empowering companies to engage with large audiences of over 100 million users. Whether you offer one service or 100, create separate workspaces to support each business vertical. And forget about per-seat pricing. Add the entire team and grant them different levels of access. Don't be intimidated. Customer I/O is powerful, but easy to get. We have thorough documentation, an active community of power users, an online training program, and world-class customer support. Visit our website to request a demo or get started immediately with a free trial today. Happy sending!